Welcome students. Today we are going to again start with our English class, that is Pathway course book, right? Yes, primer. So today I am going to teach you something which you know, but we will do little bit revision and we will go ahead with the next topic. So today I am having a page here and some pictures are there. So can you identify these pictures? Already we have done lots of identification of pictures, right? Right. Apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, fish, giraffe, house, ice cream, jug, kite, lion, mango, nest, octopus, parrot, queen, rabbit, sun, tortoise, umbrella, vase, watch, Xmas tree, yak, zebra. Very good. Now students, tell me which are the first letter of these pictures, like A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tortoise, U for umbrella, V for vase, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. So now, why we identified these pictures and why we repeated for the first letter? Now let's see. We will circle those pictures which starts with vowel sound. Okay, like A for apple starts with vowel sound. Yes, so we are going to circle it. Now B, no. C, no. D, no. E, yes. So E also starts with vowel sound. F, G, H, I, yes, I also vowel sound. Then after J, K, L, M, is that vowel sound? No. And N, O, octopus. So it's A, E, I, O, and next one is umbrella. Exactly. So this is the vowel sounds. Now, why we repeated this part? Why ma'am you did revision of this part? Because we are going to start with the next part. We are coming to the next part. And the next part is, you can see I have stepped some pictures for you over here. And the first thing which we are going to do, we are going to write the first letter of this word. So what is this? Ink. So we are going to write I. Carrot, C. Apple, A. Banana, B. Duck, D. Owl, O. Log, L. Ice cream, I. Eagle, E. Ring, R. Orange, O. Bus, B. Egg, E. Umbrella, U. And ant, A. Now students, we will circle all the vowels which you are having. Like I is a vowel? Yes. A is a vowel? Yes. B, D, O? Yes. L? No. I? Yes. E? yes. R, no. O, yes, orange. B, E, yes. U, yes. A, yes. So, ma'am, again the same thing. You did all the vowel sound pictures you have circled, and you told the consonants will not be circled. So, the words which starts with vowel or having vowel sound, we use for them N. We use N for the vowel sound words or the words which starts with A, E, I, O, U. Okay? So now I am going to write an ink pot. Okay? Again, A is a vowel, so I am going to write an apple. Again, O is a vowel sound word, so I am going to write an owl. Again, I is a vowel sound word, so I am going to write an ice cream. Again, E is a vowel sound word, so I am going to write an eagle. Again, O is a vowel sound word, so an orange. Again, E is a vowel sound word, we will write an egg. Next is an umbrella. Next is an ant. So, students, did you observe that wherever there is the picture which starts with A, E, I, O, U, I have written an ink pot, an apple, an owl, an ice cream, an eagle, an orange, an egg, an umbrella, an ant. Now, what about these? The words which starts with consonants are what? We are using for them A. With what we are using? A. So, we are going to write a carrot. A carrot. Again, a banana. Banana. A duck. Right? So, C, consonant. So, the words which starts with consonant, we use the article A. We are not pronouncing it as A, we are pronouncing it as A. Okay? So, the next one is log. So, we are going to write it a log. Next, we are having ring, R, consonant. So, we are going to write a ring. Right? Again, a bus. A bus. So, a carrot, a banana, a duck, a log, a ring, a bus. These are consonant. These words are starting with the consonant letter. So, we are using A. And the words which starts with vowel, we use N. So, the words which starts with vowel or having vowel sound, we use N for those. And the words which have consonant, which starts with consonant, we use A. Is it clear? So let us do the revision. An ink pot, a carrot, an apple, a banana, a duck, an owl, a log, an ice cream, an eagle, a ring, an orange, a bus, an egg, an umbrella, and an ant. Okay, so now we are going for page number 13, use of a and an. So your topic is use of a or an. You have to use the article a or an. Where to use a and where to use an. So here also we are having some examples as we have done here. An apple, an umbrella, an apple, an umbrella, an igloo. Igloo is a house made of ice. An ice cream, an egg, an orange, an owl, a spoon, a hat, a bird, a dog, a plate. Okay, and this exercise we will do in the second part. So you just at least 2 times go through this concept properly, understand it, and then after we will proceed for our writing part. Okay, thank you students.